know it's been almost 2 weeks that I have not posted a video. I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay, so first thing we are going to talk about toners. Okay, we have to go back in time to talk about toners. Why? Because I tell you, पहले जब हम टोनर्स यूज़ करते थे तो मार्केट में टोनर्स वो बेसिकली देयर टू मेक योर स्किन लुक वेरी मैट. I mean, it was all about that matte look, but now it's not the case anymore. Everybody is about like hydration. The game has actually changed and everybody now coming up with a new type of toners which include a lot of hydration, antioxidant, peptides and what not. But back in days when we used to use those toners, they had a lot of alcohol and estrogen in it. I mean, that just makes your face look so dull and stripped away from their natural oils. We do not want that. We want to make sure that we put hydration in our face, and that's why we use skincare, isn't it? I mean, to look little glowy, have that plump looking skin, like that bounce that we get when we use good skincare. So yeah, that's why we actually use toners now. Back in days that was not the case. So the question comes is that, are toners actually important? No. Toners are not really important. So it's definitely a personal choice. अगर आपकी मर्जी है, you can. But if you want to have that extra step for hydration, you should definitely include toners in your skincare routine. So now this brings us to the second topic of this video, which is essence. Oh my god, okay. I have been loving essence like in skincare routine. They are like a little magic product. मतलब इतने टाइम से essence हमारे skincare industry में था, but nobody actually noticed it. I don't know why. I mean, I am getting to know it now recently, like 2 years back, and I'm sure some of you are getting to know right now. So please hear me why this product is really a magic. Okay, well, in simple word, if I wanted to define essence, they are like a light serum form that you can get in the market. So serum are like made with a heavier formula, made with a heavy ingredients, but this is on a very lighter tone. So essence can be used by anybody. You don't need to be 18 plus, you don't need to be 50 plus or 30 plus to use these essence. You can use it and they come in a very different form, and especially nowadays essence are coming with superfood. For example, they have figs, they have blueberries, they have honey, they have rice water. All of these beautiful great ingredients that you can find in essence, and some comes only for hydration, some comes only for brightening. So the last question comes for essence is, do we actually need it? I mean, अगर मैं दोबारा बोलूँगी that it is your personal choice, then you guys will be like कि ठीक है, सब अगर हमारी choice है तो हमें खरीदने की ज़रूरत है नहीं. But okay, stop right there. Okay, I would say that try essence one time. If you think that your skin is accepting it, your skin liking it, and you are loving the effect that that particular essence is giving you, then go ahead, purchase 5, 6, 7 more. Who's stopping you? But if you think that nah, I'm still skeptical about it, so don't purchase it. I mean, it's not mandatory to purchase it. It's ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप ये अपने skincare routine में नहीं लगाओगे then your face will not glow. No. So yes, definitely I will say again that it is your personal choice if you want to include essence in your skincare routine. You can try it once. I mean, skincare is about fun. Skincare is about getting to know your skin a little better or experimenting with it in a safe way. Putting lemon on your face and crying next day, it doesn't work like that. I don't support lemon on your face. Okay, so this brings us to the last topic of this video, which is serum. Okay, I'm not going to go into depth with this topic because I have already made skin active videos. There was a series that I done before this. So if you have not checked out that series where I have talked about all the active serum that you can use on your face, and they definitely come in a form of a serum. So that's like me talking about similar product, repeating the same thing over and over again. I will be linking all the videos in my description box below with a title as well, so it will be easier for you to find whatever you're looking for. So yes, but let's talk a little bit about what are actually serums. So serums are basically a lightweight product that contain a little bit of concentrated skin active, and we get them in a very different forms as well, with different actives. They are basically meant to target a particular type of problem that you're facing with your skin. For example, if you have hyperpigmentation, then you can use vitamin C, and you can use niacinamide, you can use alpha-arbutin as well. And if you have like problems, for example a sebum production problem, too much oil that your face is producing, you can purchase basically the salicylic acid serum. So now we know the theoretical knowledge. So now let's check out some of my favorite products. Either it's a toner or an essence. And serum के लिए आपको पता है क्या करना है, link पे जाना है in the description box below and find your vitamin C, niacinamide and retinol, whatever your skin wants. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get into it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy the video and learn something new, and now you can decide either your skin want a toner or an essence or a serum. And next week we are going to talk about moisturizers. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, guys. I'll see you next week.